Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today, I will be showing you the Access Forensic Accountant Appointment Tracking Database template. What you will need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. So just hit Extract All. And now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. This is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that this database is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful to your computer, but I can assure you that this content is safe. Alright, so this is the Forensic Accountant Appointment Tracking Database template. This database is great for keeping track of all of your appointments and all of your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do Add New Client. This is the client form, and you can fill out all sorts of information. For now, I'll just do first and last name, an email, and an address line. But as you can see, you can also fill out phone numbers, notes, call history, appointment history, payment history, and you can also fill out a picture of the client, as well as a job title. So all sorts of different stuff. I'm going to name him John Smith with an email test@test.com. Alright, and that's pretty much all we need. You can fill out as little or as much information as you want to. Next, you'll have to hit Save and Close. And now that client will be in the database. To search for that client, just go to Search Client from the main menu. And we are going to search by the last name. You can also search by job title, email, all sorts of different stuff. So perfect. Pulls up that client that we just made, John Smith. And from here you can double click it and it will bring you back to the client form. You can delete it or edit any information that you want to. And you can also export the search results to Excel. So perfect. It pulls all that information into a new workbook for you. Okay. And next we're going to add an appointment to the database. To do that, go to Calendar View. So today is going to be June 13th, 2016. You can hit left or right arrows if you want to go back or forward a day. You can also hit the up arrow if you want a specific day, but I'll just make it for today. And we'll make this appointment at noon. So just double click this time slot here and the appointment form will show up. Let's fill out some of this information. So client, the one we just created, John Smith. Accountant 1. All of this information in these drop down boxes can be changed, and I'll show you how to do that later. So type, we'll do individual for right now, and as you saw, this one was $50, so the invoice amount goes up to $50. If we do group, it'll move it to 60. So yeah, we'll just keep it on group. And location 1. You can also add appointment notes and workers. You can add more of those if you want to, and payment information. But for now, I'll just do select custom color, and we'll make this appointment blue, and then hit Save and Close. So now we have the blue appointment at noon until 12:30 for John Smith. It was a group appointment and location 1. So this is the daily view, and we can also look at the weekly view, bi-weekly, month, and month day. Alright, and we can also search the calendar by a specific accountant. If you only want to see accountant 1's appointments, you can just do this, and there you go. And if we do accountant 2, that appointment should disappear, and I haven't added anything for accountant 2, so it should be empty. So there you go. And now that we have the appointment in the database, we can search for that appointment. So if you just want to search for all appointments for accountant 1, let's say, and then hit run search, it'll pull up all the appointments for accountant 1, which would just be 1. And from here you can double click it and it'll bring it in the calendar view, and that is because this is checked up here, view in a calendar form. So double click record below, and if we do view an appointment form and then double click it, it'll bring up the appointment form, and you can change any of that you want to, such as like the time or whatever. And you can also delete the appointment too. Alright, and don't forget about these other search criteria up here. You can search by those as well. You can also export the search results to Excel, Outlook Calendar, and Outlook Task. You can also do a print detailed version. Okay, that's what that looks like. And a print summary version. Alright, that's pretty much all there is to the search function. Next we'll take a look at the maintenance lookups. And I know in the appointment form we saw accountants, location, and service type. Let's change the location. So let's just change location 2 to Ames, and we can add a location if we want to. Let's just do the park. And as you can see, you can keep adding more and more locations. There's always going to be an asterisk right here. And then I'm going to hit close, and it'll save automatically, so don't worry about that. And just to show you that it did change, we will make another appointment. And it was just the location that we changed. So location 2 changed to Ames, and we also added the park. So perfect. Alright. And then next we'll take a look at calendar setup. So here's where you can change all the parameters of the calendar. First day of the week, you can change that to whatever day you want. Sunday, sure. And start time, end time, stuff like that. Okay. And then the calendar colors, you can change those as well. So if we change the button, let's just change it to red. So there you go. And then we can change the font color too. Labels, yep, all that good stuff. And then hit save and close when you're done. And then the reports, we can create a time interval. So let's do the Monday the 6th and Monday the 27th. Actually, let's do the 20th, so a 2-week period. And we can print invoices for that time period. So since that appointment that I created was within that time parameter, it will show up on the invoice as $60, notes, all sorts of stuff. And you can also do accounts receivable and a cash ledger, which work similarly. So that's pretty much all there is to this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.